Alright guys, welcome back to another tech video. Today we're going to be going through your question, answering it, and hopefully finding that solution for you. Now, don't forget to stay just a little bit crazy like me, and hopefully you'll get to that resolution. Anyway, on to the video. Cheers. And that's it guys. I hope this video helped find that resolution you're looking for. If it did, please hit subscribe, I'd really appreciate it. And until next time, I hope you have a good one. Cheers.